In 2018, Winsor Meade, a senior living community, installed a large shared garden using Durable GreenBed raised garden bed kits. Although this video was filmed many years ago with our old raised bed design, it explains the many reasons Winsor Meade residents love to garden with Durable GreenBeds. To see our updated raised garden bed designs and large selection, visit DurableGreenBed.com.
Hi, my name is Paul Wood. I work with ShelterWorks, the company that makes the Durable GreenBed raised bed garden kit. I'm here at Winsor Meade in Virginia. So Winsor Meade has a fantastic garden here for their residents. 40 raised bed garden kits from Durable GreenBed here in Williamsburg, Virginia. A great investment in the life of the residents and owners here of Winsor Meade. They really wanted something here that would help people be mindful that they're really truly home, and what better way than a garden full of 4x8s. These 4x8s are all 2 foot tall, and residents come in here when it's not 96 degrees like today and work all the time and maintaining their own private 4x8. Winsor Meade has taken a real conscientious effort to make this place be something special.
I began to research what was available in the way of pre-built or custom-built garden beds. And in my researching, I came up with a durable garden beds as what I thought was by far the best choice. Then I wrote, and we got a sample delivered so we could see what it looked like in the actual material. And we became convinced, Patrick became convinced that was the most cost-effective way to go. And the garden beds arrived, and they were put up by a contractor who prepared the ground, did all the work, putting in the pea gravel, leveling it, all that sort of thing. And now, as you can see, the fence is being erected. Yes. None too soon, because the deer already found the garden, and they've been munching away.
All had our time at homes, and now we're living here, and we have a garden, we have a wood shop, we have all kinds of stuff that make it feel
like home.
Like home.
Durable GreenBeds are a popular option for community gardens because they offer 20-plus year durability, look attractive, are simple to install, and offer benefits that deliver a more productive garden. What makes them unique? It's the walls. Made from a unique wood chip cement design, they are non-toxic, offer excellent drainage, and best of all, don't rot like wood beds. To see our full selection of models, visit our website DurableGreenBed.com, and be sure to subscribe and like this video to help it reach other customers just like you.